In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of LendingClub's personal loan offering, how it works, what the benefits are, the drawbacks you should know, and whether it might be right for you. First, how it works. LendingClub offers unsecured personal loans that you can apply for online, often designed for things like debt consolidation, home improvement projects, or major expenses. Many borrowers report a fast application process, clear terms, and relatively quick funding once approved. Reviews show users saying things like the application was really quick, I got the loan funds in a couple of days. One user noted the payment process literally saved my finances by consolidating many small payments into one manageable monthly payment. Now, on to the benefits. If you have decent credit and want to simplify your finances, LendingClub can be a strong option. It offers reasonably flexible loan amounts, term lengths, and fixed monthly payments. The online process tends to be smooth and paperless, which is a plus if you don't want to deal with piles of forms or branch visits. Several borrowers found relief by consolidating high-interest credit card debt into a lower fixed-rate loan through LendingClub, making budgeting more predictable. However, and yes, there are caveats. One major drawback is the origination fee. Many borrowers report that LendingClub charges a fee up front, which is deducted from your loan amount, meaning you receive slightly less than the amount you borrow, but repay the full amount over time. Also, interest rates vary significantly depending on your credit score and financial profile. If your credit isn't strong, you may end up with higher APRs. Some user reviews and comparison sites rank the terms only moderate relative to the best-in-class lenders, giving LendingClub terms a 3.3 out of 5 in one review survey. That suggests there may be cheaper options depending on your credit. Another area to watch is customer service and account management. While many users say the process is easy, others report issues, slow responses, confusing online dashboards, or delays in funding or account updates. One user on Reddit wrote that while the application approved quickly, the dashboard redirects to a banking login which doesn't work for a loan account, causing frustration. So if you value hands-on support, check how you'll manage your loan and payments. So, who is LendingClub a good fit for? It works best if you have a reasonably good credit score so you can access better rates. Want to consolidate high-interest debt or refinance into one fixed monthly payment. Prefer a fully online, quick application experience. Are comfortable with and understand the origination fee and total cost of borrowing. On the other hand, you might consider alternatives if you have fair or poor credit, since your rate may be much higher or you may be rejected. Need the lowest possible borrowing cost, in which case comparing credit unions or other digital lenders is wise. Prefer in-person service or flexible payments, as some users report limitations or delays. Want ultra-transparency on all fees and fine print, always read the terms carefully. My verdict, LendingClub is a legitimate and solid choice among online personal loan providers. Its streamlined process, decent levels of flexibility, and ability to help with debt consolidation make it very useful for the right borrower. That said, it is not the cheapest or most flexible option for everyone. You'll get the best value if you have good credit and compare your rate carefully. If you go into it fully informed about the fees and terms, it can definitely make sense. Let me know in the comments if you've used LendingClub for a loan or are considering one. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of financial products and tools.